Hey friends, Makenna here. I wanted to come on here today and share with you guys 5 reasons why you need hair extensions. They are so fun, but we have more reasons than just that. I have personally worn hair extensions for about the past 10 years, and so I had tried many different brands. But once I tried Cashmere's, I have been exclusively wearing them now for about the past 6 years. There are so many reasons why, but today I wanted to share with you guys 5 reasons why you need hair extensions. So the first one, clip-in hair extensions are so easy. You do not have to go to the salon and get your extensions moved up. You don't have to deal with gluing. You don't have to deal with taping in and getting those moved up. They are truly so easy. I love clip-in extensions because I wear them on the days that I want to wear them, and I simply take them out if I don't want to wear them. So for instance, going to bed, things like that, or maybe you're just having a lazy day at home and you don't necessarily want to do your hair that day. They're so simple, so like low maintenance. They also stay curled or stay styled however you want. So kind of like how your natural hair might fade a little bit. The extensions stay curled so well that I truly actually curl mine maybe once a week or once every 2 weeks. And it just makes doing my hair super fast because I'll just clip in my extensions and then touch up any pieces that my natural hair might need touching up on, if any, and then I'm good to go. So it really actually makes my hair beauty routine is so much faster because it's like hair's ready to go, you just clip it in and you're done. Another reason, so reason number 2 why you need hair extensions is that truly anybody could wear hair extensions. I know, especially for people with thinning hair, or if you've got health issues going on that has caused your hair to thin, or maybe caused your hair to just not be how you wanted it to be. Hair extensions can be that beautiful like bridge that kind of just covers that gap for you for, building back that confidence up. If you're dealing with hair problems or hair falling out or hair thinning, that can really take a toll on yourself and your confidence. And so hair extensions can be a beautiful way to kind of cover that gap. And also anybody from, any ages can wear them. There's all different styles of cashmere hair extensions. So there's, the ponytail, there's the one-piece hair extension, there's all different lengths, all different colors. There's truly a match for anybody and everybody if it is something that you are wanting. So you can completely customize them to your specific needs, your wants, your desires for your hair, and really just help you bring your hair to that next level and give you that extra boost of confidence that can be just so valuable in day-to-day life. Reason number 3 why I personally choose clip-in hair extensions is because they're healthy for your hair. They're not going to over time damage your hair. Cashmere's clips are specifically designed so that you don't have to tease your hair or backcomb your hair to get them to stay in. They actually have like little rubber type silicone pieces on the clips themselves that really allow them to grip into your hair and stay put all day long. I remember before I found Cashmere's, I was, trying all the different brands, and that was one of the biggest issues, was that my clips would start sliding down throughout the day, or I'd find, a piece of extension down here and I'm like, oh my goodness. And so with Cashmere's, you never have to worry about that. The clips truly stay in place all day long. I mean, unless you like really pull on the hair. But the beautiful thing about that is that they don't damage your hair. So you don't have to worry about your hair, thinning or falling out because of glue or because of, just all the different techniques that there are. They're truly the healthiest option for your hair. And you can just rest assured that when you're wearing your extensions, you're not damaging your natural hair. And so you can just breathe easy knowing that your extensions are not going to be taking away from your natural hair. They're simply going to be adding to it. Okay, number 4 for why you need hair extensions is that hair extensions, let's be real, they just amp up any hairstyle you want to do. So think ponytails or, curls, braids, all those fun things. I personally have pretty long hair. I think my hair goes down to like about here. I currently have the one-piece clip-in extension in right now, but my hair is pretty long, but it doesn't necessarily have a lot of thickness to it. And so I just find that whenever I'm doing a hairstyle that I want to look really full and really voluminous and beautiful and long, that is when I just snatch up my extensions and go ahead and place them in real quick, because truly they make every hairstyle so much better. So think thicker braids, braids, much more curls, much more hair to work with, you know, more voluminous ponytails, even more messy buns, that type of stuff. They really truly make every hairstyle so much just more beautiful and just gives you so much more hair to work with. And it's just fun to be able to style all of this hair, and it's not overwhelming, but it's just like the perfect amount of added hair that just makes every single hairstyle look so much more beautiful and voluminous and shiny and healthy and long and all of the things. So that is specifically number 4, one of my very favorite reasons that I love wearing my clip-in extensions. All right, the last reason that I want to share with you guys today, reason number 5, is no one can tell that you are wearing hair extensions. Oh my goodness, wearing hair extensions now for the past 10 years, if they're not good quality, I can spot them so quickly. And so I'm very aware of that for myself personally. I want them to blend. I want them to look, you know, natural with my hair. I don't want them poking out or all the things that can happen that can go wrong with clip-in extensions. The hair from Cashmere is thick all the way down to the ends. So one of the biggest things that I found before I had personally tried Cashmere was that the hair might be thicker up towards, you know, where the clips are, but then down at the bottom, it's like the hair would just like taper off into nothing. So you can rest assured with Cashmere's, they are very, very good quality, and they will be thick all the way down to the ends. The hair is shiny. They are very natural looking. A lot of Cashmere's hair tones that they offer, a lot of the different hair colors that they offer are multi-dimensional. So they do have, you know, solid colors where it's just one color, but if your hair, like mine, has lots of dimension and lots of just different colors in it, they have an option for you that will look so seamless and just blend beautifully with your natural hair. And because they're 100% Remy hair, that means that they are natural hair. You can curl them, you can style them, you can use heat on them just like you would your natural hair, and they will blend right in. So it's not going to be that, you know, more plastic looking hair that you can't do anything with. It is truly natural, 100% Remy hair, and so it is gorgeous to work with, and they blend seamlessly. I hope that those 5 reasons were helpful for you if you are debating whether or not you want to invest into some hair extensions. The great thing is that they last so long when you take care of them really well, and so yes, it's an investment, but if you are needing that extra boost of confidence, or if you're just a hair loving kind of gal like me, I can assure you that Cashmere is by far my favorite brand that I have ever personally tried, and I've tried a lot of them. So you can just know that they will take care of you, they will help you. You can even get custom color matched by sending in an email and pictures of your natural hair. So all the things that you might need help with, they are ready and willing to help with finding and fulfilling all of your hair needs. So I hope that you guys found that video to be helpful, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.